सत श्री अकाल. सूही महला पहला. This is a stanza by Guru Nanak Dev Ji. In this Vak, the Guru Nanak Dev Ji has personified us humans as a vessel, as a panda. And we are vessels, if you think about it, right? Vessels that carry within us thoughts, behaviors, attitudes, emotions. So with that in mind, पांडा हच्चा सोई ज्योतिष भावसी. That panda, that vessel is pure and pleasing to you, that you feel. पांडा अत मलीन धोता हच्चा न होइसी. Those vessels that you feel are impure, that are dirty with the wrong thoughts, behaviors or attitudes, you can wash that vessel how much ever you want. You can wear good clothes, put expensive cosmetics, perfumes, even pretend and do everything that is right to dress your vessel up. But the point is, Guru Nanak Dev Ji says that vessel who is corrupt from within cannot be made pure and cleaned. Guru duare hoye soji paise. If you come to his gate, Guru duare has two translations here. One is the literal, where if you come to the Gurdwara and you come to the threshold at the gate of the Gurdwara, or figurative and emotional is when you come to his darbar, his emotional darbar. When you come close to him, only then will you understand and be given this gift and this blessing. Eight duare dhoe hacha paise. What will you understand and what gift will you be given once you come close to him? That the only way to cleanse yourself and become pure is when you walk through that gate and come close to him. Eight duare dhoe hacha hoise. Once you walk through that door, you become pure. Mele hacha ka vichar aap vartaise. The difference between the thoughts that are pure and impure is one that is governed and given by you. Mat ko jaane jai agge paise. Mat ko jaane jai agge paise. The intelligence and the thought on how to proceed and how to go forward is also received and given by you. Jehe karam kamaye teha hoye se. Keep in mind, your actions, your karma is who you will become. Who you become is a direct consequence of your thoughts, behaviors, attitudes and your actions. Amrit har ka naau aap vartaye se. And once you walk through his door and he chooses to cleanse you, he is the person who gives you the gift har ka naam, and that naam that he gives you is nothing like the purest ambrosial nectar. And this gift aap vartaise, he alone can give that to you. Chaliya pat siyo janam savar vaja vaise. And once that happens and you get accepted and you walk through that door, Chaliya pat, you receive honor. You leave this mortal side and you enter his darbar with honor. Siyo janam, and you enter Siyo janam savar. Your becoming human, your incarnation as a human becomes redeemed. Twada ana has savar gaya hai, right? So you have redeemed yourself, and your life on earth has become worthy. And Vaja Vaisi, there are trumpets and music that is blowing because of this transaction, of this transition in your life from being a mortal, corrupt vessel to a one that is pure and that is accepted by the Lord. मानस किया विचारा तेह लोक सुनाई सी. When that happens, we feel, hi, bichara manas ote chala gaya, he has gone. We, the people around, feel pity on the person that has transcended there, because we feel wrongly that either the body has left his soul, or he has gotten absorbed in the Lord, where he's lost the practical side of it, and we feel pity. But what we don't realize, these are the people who don't understand that really what has happened to that person is Tehalok Sunaisi. In all the three worlds, that person who has transcended to the Lord, his name and his glory is known to all the three worlds. Nanak, aap nihal, sab kul tarsi. Hey Nanak, dear Lord, you yourself enrapture us. You yourself help us become and fall in love with you. And once that happens, sab kul tarsi, our ancestors, our family tree, they are all redeemed by just the action of that one person who comes and becomes one with the Lord. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.